Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really fun video because Wednesday we'll be getting to change our hair color a little bit for fun. So this is the Wella color charm, and this is a free influencer box. So you do get these for free for testing purposes, and Influenster has been hooking me up this year. So thank you, Influenster, because it's been a hot minute since I even got anything from Influenster. So I don't remember. I remember I took a survey and it was asking me if I wanted to try a hair color. I said of course, because I'm all about changing my hair. It's just fun to do, to do something fun. So it is a semi-permanent shade, so that is a good thing. So if it is like a crazy color, I won't get too much in trouble at work. See It, Create It paints 3 juicy new semi-permanent shades. So I don't know if I'm getting 3 colors in here or 1, but this is what the box looks like. So with all other ado, and of course I will have Influencer all down in my description box. I can't stress to you guys enough, Influencer is 100% free. If you want free goodies, it's almost like Christmas opening a box and you just don't really know what you're getting, Influencer is the place. All you have to do is link your social medias and go on there, review products that you have already tried or products that they have sent to you. Just jot down a little quick review and it gives you more opportunities to get a free box. So let's see what is in here. Alright, whoa. So we have, wow, they hooked you up for real. Okay, so this right here I always keep. It's just a little card. I always throw these in my planner book, and all it pretty much tells you is like what to do before you apply it, after you apply it. So it kind of just gives you a little bit of a guideline, which is really cool. I was not expecting this. So you do get 2. So I guess I chose the purple one. So if you guys know, I did have my hair dyed purple before. These are semi-permanent, which means they will not stay in your hair forever. They'll wash out in a couple washes. So this is a 2 ounce, and I'll open one up. So they do give you 2 bottles in case you just want to go a little crazy. So here is what the packaging looks like, and the color I went with is mulberry. So that is pretty cool, and you can actually get a lot more out of it if you add it to like conditioner, so you're not really damaging your hair. So you would actually get quite a bit of products. Alright, and then you get a color charm painting. So this is the beige, I'm assuming. It's the clay base. I'm not sure exactly what this is used for. I would have to read into it and see exactly what this is. So you do get a little package of that. I'm assuming you mix it with the color. And you guys, look how cool this is. So you get a little mixing tray, little mixing bowl. They even threw in 2 pairs of gloves for you while you're dyeing your hair. I thought that was really cool. I was only expecting hair dye, to be honest with you. And then they actually sent you a little brush to streak it in, or however you want to dye it. So that is really awesome. So I got a new little set of those. Alright, and then we have one more thing. And this is the developer. So I'm assuming this is what you mix the hair dye with. I'm not sure. I'll have to read and get right back with you guys. So that is everything that you get in this hair dyeing box. Super cool. They actually hook you up in case you didn't have a mixing bowl. And then they give you a little brush. So let me see exactly what this and this is used for. Okay, so this is what this is. This is the lighting to lighten your hair if you have any, if your hair is dark. This is to lighten it, so that is awesome. And then of course, kind of what I thought is this is the developers, which you mix in with your hair dye.